donut machine is a 6 rows. 1 hour can produce 1,750 pieces, mini donut. The donut how many? I want to show you here. You can see the diameter of the donut come out is about 45 mm. Each time is 6 pieces. And this one will install here. Just push down. You also can use the tool to fix it. And here I want to tell you there are 5 gears to can adjust the donut weight. Here can just pull out and turn around. Yeah, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gears. The temperature set up plus and decrease. The time, turn on, heat, drop, fill. This is auto. Don't forget this one. This one should pull first. Yeah, put here first. And 2 gear match. Okay, now finish. Here is all the machine connect this tool and pen